getting close on the shape. It's not right. It's not there yet. Need to round this up a little bit more. Still a little bit steep.
Maybe just want to follow the upward for a second.
How does that look?
That looks pretty good.
Still not as round in this side. Round it a little bit more. It still doesn't have the contour I want.
I think it's going to be alright.
I mean, you can feel it too. I do need to round it. Go like this.
This side needs to be rounded because this side here has that, rounds off a little bit, and this side's just kind of straight.
No, this one's more rounded. See how it has this little, well, it's the lighting. A little bit more over here. See, this has the bigger ID than this one. We're lucky because, like I said, it was screwed up. We overshot by 10 thousandths. So here's our hot rod wheel size. This is the back and this is the front. Good job, Kyle.
Thank you.